This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Gartrell. Beautiful transitional home with inviting front porch on over half-acre corner lot with fenced backyard and expansive side yard with plenty of room for sports, garden, and storage shed/workshop. The first floor features high ceilings and attractive wide plankwood floors, a private office, formal dining room, spacious eat-in kitchen with granite tops, and stainless appliances open to the family room with a gas fireplace, powder room, and laundry room. The second floor offers 4 large bedrooms including the primary bedroom with walk-in closet, luxurious ensuite bath complete with double vanity, soaking tub and separate shower, 2 additional large bedrooms, hall bath with granite tops and tub/shower combo, and oversized frog with convenient attic storage is the 4th bedroom. This home has brand new paint, 2023 air conditioner, 2021 hot water heater, 2019, and wood blinds in all windows. Move-in ready, short commute to bases, schools, and several shopping options. Existing shed does not convey. For more information, review the details below.